Welcome. Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education is coming with the lead Learning at your doorstep. The course is Utilization of Electrical Energy. This presentation will help students in achieving one of the course outcome of the said course, that is course outcome number 4, Electric Traction. The unit outcome of this presentation is, after learning this UO, student will be able to select the relevant track electrification system for the specified traction services with justification. What we will learn today? Today we will learn different types of track electrifications. The key takeaways from this presentation are DC system of track electrification, AC system of track electrification and composite system of track electrification. Let's see the concept map for this topic. Different types of track electrification system used in India. In India, electric traction system started with DC system. Here, DC current is used to electrify the system. In this system, DC series motor is used as a drive. 600 volt to 750 volt is used for urban services and 1500 volt to 3000 volt is used for suburban and mainline services. Examples of 600 volt DC system are tramways, trolleybuses and railways. Examples of 1500 volt DC system are Bombay VT to Igatpuri and Pune and Bombay VT to Virar. Examples of 300 volt DC system are Howrah to Burdwan, but it is converted to 25 kV AC system now. The next is single phase low frequency AC system. In this system, AC series motor is used as a drive. The low frequency is used in AC series motor because to improve commutation property of motor. If it is low frequency supply is given to motor, commutation property will improve and power factor will improve and also the efficiency will improve. So, these are the advantages of AC series motor with low frequency. Now, AC series motor operates on 300 to 400 volt, but we get very huge voltage of 11 kV at overhead distribution line. So, definitely we need to use step down transformer to feed the single phase AC series motor. This system is preferred for mainline service where rapid acceleration and retardation is not required. Three-phase AC system. In this system, three-phase induction motor is used as a drive. The distribution system consists of two overhead conductors with track rail for third phase to supply three-phase induction motor at 3.3 kV and frequency of 16 and 2/3 cycle per second. There is no need of transformer at locomotive as induction motor directly can be connected to 3.3 kV. This is one of the advantages of this system. Three-phase system is mainly adopted for the services where output power required is high. The next is the composite system. After looking all above given system, we conclude that no system of the electrification is good in all respects. Composite system combines any two of these systems with a good point in each system. At present, there are two types of composite system: single phase to DC system and CANDU system or single phase to three phase system. Single phase has advantages because it carries only one conductor, but in three phase we need to carry three conductors. So therefore, both types of composite system is having single phase overhead conductor. First we will see single phase to DC system. In this system, advantages of both single phase and DC system are combined by using overhead distribution network of single phase and DC series motor as a drive. This system of traction employing 25 kV single phase 50 Hz supply is adopted for all future electrification in India. This system employs 25 kV AC system as overhead, which is stepped down by transformer in locomotive itself. This single phase AC system is converted to DC and is used to drive the DC series motor. Single phase to three phase system or CANDO system. Here single phase AC system is used for overhead distribution line as it carries only one conductor, so cost is reduced, and three phase induction motor is used as a drive because it has simple and robust construction. Also it provides automatic regenerative braking. The voltage used for overhead distribution network is about 15 to 25 kilovolt at 50 Hz, which is converted to three-phase supply by means of phase converter carried in the locomotive itself. Now, three-phase induction motor operates on 400 volt. So, definitely step-down transformer is installed in locomotive itself to feed the motor. In this slide, you can take up a quiz and check by yourself. In this presentation, we just see types of track electrification in India, that is DC track electrification, single phase AC track electrification, three phase track electrification and composite track electrification systems. Dear students, you can refer the books Art and Science of Utilization of Electrical Energy by author Mr. H. Pratap, Electrical Energy Generation, Utilization and Conservation by author Mr. S. Shivannagaraju, Utilization of Electric Power by author Mr. N. V. Suryanarayana. Thank you.